Question 29 is about electric field and electric potential of a hollow metallic sphere. So in a charge Q and then all the charge are accumulated uniformly on its surface. So outside the sphere, the electric field strength is normal kq over r squared and the electric field is normal kq over r. So at the surface of the hollow sphere, the electric potential is kq over r. But inside the hollow sphere, any point you have to remember the electric field is zero. Because the electric field from the opposite charges cancel out exactly each other. So electric field inside is zero. So from this point to point P, the work done by electric field is zero. So the electric potential does not change when moving from the surface to here. So at point P, the electric potential is still kq over r. So the answer is D. Thank you.